IndexMarketCap KYC and migration update. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to perform your IndexMarketCap KYC and migration. If you're mining this project, this update is for you. So you make sure that you are mining. If you come over to this place, you are seeing KYC, or if you look at this in direction, they said IndexMarketCap KYC has started. Go to KYC page to check eligibility and continue mining MIC 10 daily to unlock migration assets. So currently they are doing testnet. So you need to perform your KYC for you to be able to get the 10 testnet daily. So if you click on this arrow, or preferably click on this KYC, it will bring you here. You are going to see the KYC eligibility criteria. The criteria here is that you must be on a daily check-in, that's a daily login streak, for 60 days for you to qualify for this KYC. So you must be on a daily check-in for 60 days to unlock the eligibility criteria. And what you need to do once you reach 60 days of daily check-in, you are going to see here MIC address verification. You need to put your MIC verification address. And where can you find that? Let's go to wallet here. Tap on this wallet. Once you tap on the wallet, you now click on deposit. So this is your wallet address. This is your IMC wallet address. You click on this copied. Now said okay. Now we'll go back to the KYC. So you're coming here, you put the IMC address. So let's paste the address. So this is the address. We are going to click on continue. Now you need to verify your email. You have to put your email here to verify, and after that you click on continue. So the next thing here says your IMC 10 coins. Enter them. You need to enter this coin to migrate. You see it. So you are going to click on mass here. Click on mass. This is the total testnet balance that I have. Like I said, this is testnet token is nothing. What they need is just for you to send to other people to build their blockchain. So what you are going to do here is to click on verify and migrate. Let's tap on its processing migration. Can you see? Migration locked, not eligible yet. You are in top 34%. You must reach 60 days login in streak to unlock mainnet migration. This is becoming interesting. So if you actually believe on this project, you have to be on a daily check-in, a daily streak for 30 days. That's good 2 months without missing any day. If you miss any day, you're going to start afresh. For you to unlock your token for migration, you have to be on a daily check-in for 60 days. So this is currently what you need to know. If you look here, you can see live network activity. These are the people that just completed their KYC and they have migrated their token. You can see just now, these are the people that have successfully completed their KYC. They have been on the daily check-in for 60 days. That's 2 months. It is not difficult. If you can be on a daily check-in for 2 months, you will unlock your migration. So basically, this is everything we need to know. That is it. For those that have been asking about KYC, this is the simplest thing. Be on a daily check-in to unlock your KYC. So that is it. See you guys in my next video.